Welcome to Travel with Pat G channel. Today I would like to show you guys a very nice hotel that we recently stayed at, Hyatt Place Altoona, Des Moines. This hotel is located in the heart of Altoona, just 8 miles from Des Moines. The location is great, just off I-80, and a great perk is that it's right across the street from outlets of Des Moines. Let's see inside the hotel. This is the market at front desk. Just a selection of perfectly packaged grab-and-go items. And of course, with our discovery status, we got 2 complimentary bottles of water. There are plenty of seats to relax and enjoy your breakfast. And this is the fitness area. It's open 24 hours. They have newer equipment, including a Peloton bike, which I've noticed it's available at many of the Hyatt hotels I've stayed at. And this is an indoor pool area. Let's check the room out. The room was well designed with modern new furniture and non-carpeted flooring, which makes the room more clean and nice. And here's a look into the bathroom. A very comfy king-size bed. This room had an awesome view of the lake near the hotel. And forgot to mention, this hotel is pet friendly as well. There's no microwaves in the room, but there is one downstairs in their eating area. They also provide a complimentary breakfast for free for everyone to enjoy in the morning. And this hotel is category 2, so if you want to use points, you will need around 8,000 points for a one-night stay here.
Where is Luna?
And this is Luna. She really enjoyed her stay here so much, as you can see.
What are you doing over there, Luna? Oh, baby. Waiting for Paul, huh? Luna ชมวิวค่ะ
And she loved the view from our room so much as well.
ดู
Keep looking outside all day like this.